YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of a baby bird that just hatched, maybe 2 days ago. First you go to the pet store and you buy this product. See there? KT Exact, hand feeding, and it's a formula for baby birds. Okay, and you can feed any baby bird with this. You just follow the directions. In this case, it's 1 part powder. Oops, sorry about that. One part powder. So you can pick anything you want depending on the size of the bird. So I picked a teaspoon size right here. I put in 1 and then I mixed it with 6 parts of water. Mix it up. Use hot water from the faucet. I'd stress that, from the faucet, because you don't want it to be too hot. By the time you mix it, put it in the syringe, or just put it in the, scoop it up with the measuring device here, like this. Alright? Then we go over here to the baby bird in the box. See? Baby bird. He's very cooperative. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of get this right down there. Come here, birdie. Well, he's in a... It's hard to do it and hold on to the phone at the same time. Okay. That's a good idea. Alrighty then. Okay, come here. He must not be that hungry. There we go. So I think you just... make a bird sound. And there you go. And you can see he is a pretty pathetic little creature. Hardly any fuzz. He's got bald spots all over. His eyes are hardly open. So, but he's kind of hungry, so we'll put this back in there like that. I have a syringe, but sometimes the syringes are difficult to use in that you push on them and then all of a sudden they give way and the pressure's too much. So it doesn't hurt to just pour it into their mouth, just a little bit at a time. Because remember, you're simulating the mother bird dropping some food in. See? Okay, so when they do the number 2, you gotta clean it up, otherwise they're gonna get it all over them, and then that's not sanitary. So you have to be very vigilant, keep their nest clean. And in the wild, they just stick their butt over the edge of the nest and poop. But otherwise, you have to clean it up. Okay? And this box, shoe box, will be good for a couple of weeks. But then he needs a bigger enclosure when he starts flapping his wings and learning how to fly. Alright, there you have it. Till next time.